Hey guys, let's talk about your sprinkler backflow valve. Maybe you have this particular backflow and you or your sprinkler company last year has removed the black vessel piece in the center. Let me show you exactly how to install this thing. Very easy, very quick. Get this installed so you can at least test your sprinkler system or possibly get it watering if need be. So I'm going to flip the camera around to show you. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a flathead. So, like I said, here is the backflow preventer valve. If you look, you have this valve on one side. This is usually, if it's installed correctly, is going to be the inlet side. This means the water feeds from this side and moves this direction. You should have your main vessel and this wedge with 2 screws on the top. Inspect that your vessel has that O-ring on both sides. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand since I'm filming. You're going to set this piece in. It's going to be pretty self-explanatory because the O-rings are different sizes. So set that in, then grab your wedge and stick your wedge piece in just like this. It's very self-explanatory. It just slides right down in there. Push this wedge down. The further down this wedge goes, it pushes your vessel in and it seals it. So push it down, and then all you're going to do, take your screwdriver, tighten these down. Do not over tighten these. Hand tight is plenty. Don't over torque these things because it can cause problems. Last thing you want to do is check these valves. If you see the flathead screwdriver in this position, means it is closed. If this were angled up and down, it would mean it's open. So just check all 4 of those valves. If that's the case, as long as these are good to go, you can turn your water on. You see how it's still leaking slightly? That just means my screws aren't tight enough. So tighten those down. Go again, and I would definitely recommend when you're turning these handles, turn them slowly. Okay, this is just residual water. I'm going to make sure it doesn't drip anymore, but that's all you need to do to ensure that you're ready to water. If you have any questions, let us know. We'd love to help you out if you'd rather have somebody do it for you, so give us a call. Otherwise, keep checking these videos for other tips so you can do them yourself.